To try and cheer him up, we decided to demonstrate that despite all the mishaps, we had ended up with a good car chase.
On here.
How many horsepower has Plod got?
250?
God, Plod must be robbing. This thing's got 503.
Turn off the ABS.
How'd you do that? Ah.
Pull the rhythm.
Gritty.
Turn off the traction control.
Ah!
You have to hold it down for 10 seconds.
Why didn't we get a BMW? You only have to push the lem for 5 seconds. Full 10?
Oh yeah, 10 seconds and then the viewers left in no doubt.
Go!
I think when the world's angriest man sees that, he's going to be quite pleased.
See?
I think so. I mean, I know there are one or two rough edges in it, but overall, it has a gritty reality.
It's all there, isn't it?
Okay, what I've done here is I've set up a practice area for the next stunt so I don't leave tyre marks in the grass at the actual location, which is over there. Well, I guess we were wondering how the world's angriest man would respond to Hammond's car jump, and now we know.